All right, so in this video, I just want to look at some questions I'm going to be asking you. We have, how does f of x minus 7 plus 8 compare to f of x? All right, all we're wanting to know is what kind of translation is happening. All right, well, we've got a plus 8 on the outside. All right, so you're adding something on the outside of the parentheses. That's going to move it 8 units up. And then we have minus 7 on the inside. So on the inside, we are subtracting something. So that's going to move it 7 to the right. That's all they're asking for is what kind of translation. 8 units up and 7 units to the right. Okay. All right, here we've got something similar. On the square roots, this would be the inside. All right, that's like the inside of your parentheses. And this here would be the outside. So on the outside, they're moving it 2 units down. Okay, they're subtracting on the outside. And on the inside, they're moving it 3 units to the left. And that's because they're adding. And on the inside, it's always backwards, what you would normally think. So 3 to the left and 2 units down compared to the parent function. All right, this time we're comparing from one translation to the next. Describe the translation from this one to that one. All right, so on the outside, you can already tell the outside, they moved it 4 units down. That's the easy one. 4 units down. On the inside, you have to kind of look carefully and see how did they get from positive 5 to positive 2. From positive 5 to positive 2, what they're doing is they're subtracting 3. All right, 5 minus 3 gives you 2. And if you are subtracting on the inside, right there, that means they're moving 3 units to the right. They're going from positive 5 to positive 2. They are subtracting 3. All right, last one here. We've got a cubic, right, something to the third power and something to the third power. This one, they are moving on, they're changing numbers on the inside and outside. All right, so on the outside, let's see here, they're going from negative 8 to positive 3. All right, so we have to figure out what they're doing first, adding or subtracting. If they're going from a negative to a positive, they must be adding. All right, and they're going from negative 8 to positive 3. So how much of a change is that? Well, negative 8 to 0 is 8 units, and then 0 to 3 would be 3 more, so that is 11 total. All right, from negative 8 to positive 3, it's 11 units, and they are adding, so it'd be up on the outside. See, on the inside, they're going from negative 4 to negative 2, so that means they were adding 2. Right, so they're adding 2 units from negative 4 to negative 2. And if you are adding on the inside, that means it's going to be moving you left. All right, so they added on the inside, so they moved to the left. And that's it.